Morning, I'm Phil from Dorset Log Stores, just here to introduce you on this lovely cold January morning to our range of never leak garden tool stores. These stores are 4 foot wide, 3 foot wide, 2 foot wide, and we do a little mini one if you've got a very small back garden. The reason we call these stores never leaks is because most of the sentry box type tool stores that you buy have got felt roofs on them, and the trouble is with a felt roof, about 2 years after you've bought it, the felt goes, the roof leaks, everything inside gets wet. Well, we've researched around and come up with a 9mm thick recycled agricultural plastic. So we're making good second use of plastic that's already been used to wrap silage bales, and now it's forming a very, very solid, long-lasting, non-leaking roof to your store to make sure that nothing gets wet inside. This will last longer than me, so you'll never have to actually re-roof your little store, or worse, get the stuff inside it damaged. But I'm just wanting to show you around our range. So if I start with the 3 foot, as you can see, very good, heavy duty, high quality hinges, heavily galvanized to last for years. All the nails on these units are stainless steel, not the commonly used galvanized ones. Galvanized will rot out in tannalized timber. These are really, really solid inside. Fully braced doors, weather bar over the door so it doesn't drip in when you open it. Nice solid inch thick wooden shelves. A 1 inch thick solid wooden floor. No oriented strand board or plywood in here. This is made to last. Just to demonstrate, that's just a small demonstration of the solidity of our units. We've done the 2 foot in black furniture because my wife told me it looked nicer that way. But if you would prefer it in the heavy duty galvanized, then that we can do. Or the other way around, if you would prefer these units with black hinges. Again, nice and solidly built, little shelf up high, cutaway shelf in the middle there so that you can put a yard brush in there and still have room for your wellies, brushes, all that kind of thing. Lovely and sturdy, easy to make secure. You can put a padlock on these, so unless somebody actually takes the whole shed, it'll be quite fine. The Mini, it's a particularly attractive, petite little store, really cute for where you've got a small backyard. It'll take wellies, it'll take children's outdoor toys, it'll still take garden forks and spades. It's compact, it's strong, and it will last you for years. And again, we have the 4 foot garden store here. Nice big wide door, good bit of depth, 2 high shelves, loads and loads of room in the bottom. You could even put a mower in the bottom of this with the folding handles, strimmers, patio, pressure washers, all that sort of thing. It's a truly secure, safe home for all your garden tools. Now, we've made them in all sizes, for all sizes of gardens and for all purposes. These are not disposable garden furniture. They are made to last, unlike most of these small sentry box stores that you get. They are very flimsy. These are not. We put a 15-year guarantee on these products. One of the great advantages of buying products from Dorset Log Stores is the fact that we are the manufacturers of these products, and we can send them to you assembled on a pallet, which means that for the DIY challenged amongst us, as long as you've got a strong pair of hands, you can actually have it delivered by lorry to your door and just pick it up and put it on your ready prepared base or on your back patio, no problems at all. We make everything ourselves. We can customize, we can supply in quantity for housing associations, small residential blocks, no problem at all. All these lovely, sturdy, never leak tool stores are available on our website, www.dorsetlogstores.co.uk. If you'd like to purchase one of these lovely units, please give us a ring. Our telephone number is 01300 345 916, and we'd be very pleased to hear from you and answer any questions. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.